The Hilti SR2-A12 is a 12-volt one-handed reciprocating saw. The SR2 is the perfect tool to have on hand for quickly cutting and removing materials, eliminating trips back and forth to the toolbox. This strong, high-performing saw is suitable for cutting wood, metal, plastics, and composite materials. Cutting is easy when you need to secure the material with your free hand, working overhead, on a ladder, or are reaching into tight and cluttered spaces. LED lights illuminate the work surface, and a brushless motor, optimized gearing, and electronics help deliver strong performance and great work per charge. We're here to help you. Visit our website or contact us for more information.